Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by gathering precise tools and preparing a clean workspace: tri-point drivers, a 0.5 mm spudger, thin picks, and a controlled heat source. Once done, power off and note left versus right earbud orientation. Document serials if needed. Apply gentle, even heat around the seam to soften adhesive. Make small, incremental pries with a thin pick while supporting the shell. Go slow to avoid cracking the plastic. When the seam lifts, use a pick to wiggle the housing open and expose the internals. With the shell open, identify the battery pack and its flex cable. Take photos for reference. Once you see the connectors, use the spudger to gently lift the battery flex latch and disconnect it. Do not yank. Apply low, focused heat to the adhesive beneath the battery and peel slowly with a thin pick, working from one edge. Once the adhesive softens, lift the battery straight up to avoid stretching terminals. Make sure to keep screws and small parts organized. Once removed, inspect the connector area for damage before fitting the new cell. Position the replacement battery so its terminals align exactly with the board pads and reconnect the flex gently. Latch it securely. Before reassembly, power the earbud briefly and run pairing and audio tests to confirm function. Once confirmed, apply thin Tessa-style adhesive strips or the manufacturer equivalent to reseal the housing. Press evenly for full contact, and cure adhesive per manufacturer instructions. Reassemble screws, recheck pairing and microphone function, and perform an extended test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.